Hi everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learn Easy channel. I hope all you are fine and all you are doing good. Now we are going to discuss the problems of locus map, okay, of intermediate first year. Okay, now see, the first problem here is find the equation of the locus of a point which is at a distance of 5 from the point A 4 comma minus 3. For that, first we have to write the given point A 4 comma minus 3. Okay, let P x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Seema. Here he asks us to find the locus of a point which is 5 units away from the point A. That is, he mentioned the distance between these two is 5. Okay, it is the geometric condition. Now I have to convert this geometric condition into algebraic condition by using coordinate geometry formulas. The distance between A and P is root over, okay, x1 minus 4 whole square, okay, plus y1 minus of minus 3 whole square is equal to 5. Now squaring on both sides, okay, squaring on both sides. So now x1 minus 4 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. Why? Because while doing square, the square and root are going to be cancelled. 5 square means 25 it is. Now x1 square minus 2 into x1 into 4 plus 4 square. Again here y1 square plus 2 into y1 into 3 plus 3 square is equal to 25. See, x1 square plus y1 square minus 8x1, here it is 6y1 plus it is 16 plus 9 minus 25 is equal to 0. Okay, now see, that is x1 square plus y1 square minus 8x1 plus 6y1, these two are going to be cancelled, constant terms is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the locus we know that locus equation is always in terms of x and y. So we have to replace that x1 y1 with x comma y1, that is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0. This is our required equation of the locus. Okay, Nama? See, second question. Find the equation of the locus of a point which is equidistant from the points A minus 3, 2 and B 0, 4 is asking. Okay, firstly write the given points. A minus 3, 2, B 0, 4. Now the next step is let P x1, y1 be a point on required locus. So see, let this is P x1, y1. Okay, now, and this P is equidistant from the points A and B is saying. So this A is minus 3, 2, B is 0, 4. So this PA and PB are same. So that is the geometrical condition here. Given geometrical condition. See what is the given geometrical condition? PA is equal to PB. Why? Because in the question itself he said that the required point on the locus is equidistant from A and B. So PA is equal to PB. Okay, now we have to convert this given geometrical condition into algebraic equation by using coordinate geometry formulas. That is, PA means root over sigma x1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square, okay, is equal to square root of PB means again x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 4 whole square. Okay, by doing squaring on both sides, okay, the squares are going to be, square roots are going to be cancelled with squares. Okay, see. Okay, now so rest out values are x1 plus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to x1 square plus y1 minus 4 whole square. Okay, once expand it by using a plus b and a minus b whole squares. Directly I am going to write x square plus 6x1 plus 9 plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 8y1 plus 16. See, my x1 square, y1 square and x1 square, y1 square are going to be cancelled. Okay, now bring out all the values to left hand side. 6x1 minus 4y1 and that minus 8y1 comes to left hand side and becomes plus 8y1. Okay, now here I am having the constant values as 4 plus 9, that is 13, and this plus 16 comes this side and becomes minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, that implies 6x1 plus 4y1 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our locus equation. We know that every time we are going to express the locus equation in terms of x and y, no? Therefore, the required equation of the locus, required equation of the locus is 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. See, find the equation of the locus of a point P such that the distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A. Given points, we have to write origin and the given point A. Origin 0, 0, A 1, 2. And we have to assume that P x1, y1 be a point on the required locus. Then after see, he mentioned very clearly that the distance of P from origin, that is PO or OP is equal to twice the distance of P from that A, that is 2 into this PO is equal to 2 into PA. So that is we are going to write here. Okay, now see, OP means we know that, okay, x 1 minus 0 whole square y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 into AP means x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. Now do squaring on both sides. So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4 into x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4. Okay, now send all these values to that side. Now 4x1 square minus 8x1 plus 4 plus 4y1 square minus 16y1 plus 16 minus x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 0. By simplifying, 3x1 square plus 3y1 square, see it is minus 8x1 minus 16y1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 20 is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of the locus. We have to express it in terms of x and y. Therefore, the required equation of the locus is 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the required equation of the locus. Find the equation of the locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Okay, firstly we have to assume that let P x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Point on the locus. So this point P is equidistant from the coordinate axis. That means since this is x1 Noma and this is y1. Okay. So that is x1 and y1. That is why clearly we know that what we know about the geometrical condition he mentioned, PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. The distances from that point to the coordinate axis are same he mentioned. So PA is equal to PB. What is PA, ma? PA means y1. Okay. Is equal to PB means. Tell me that PB, ma. PB means what? x1. Okay, we have to write like this. Okay, now if you want to square on both sides, okay, why? Because those may be positive or negative, no ma. That is why y1 square is equal to x1 square. That implies x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 0. That is the equation, the locus is x square minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, just you have to know why we are squaring here. Okay, why? Because the distances may be positive or negative here. PA is equal to PB. Here the PA and PB are the lengths. The lengths are always positive, no ma, we know that. That's why here we are squaring on both sides. That is y1 square is equal to x1 square. By that x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 0. We know that always we are going to express the locus in terms of x and y, no? Therefore, equation of the locus is x square minus y square is equal to 0. Ma. Understand? Now, see ma, fifth one. Find the equation of the locus of a point equidistant from a2, 0 and the y-axis is asking. Firstly, write the given point. Given point. a2, 0. Let P x1, y1 be a point on the locus. P x1, y1 be a point on the locus. See? Oh, y. Okay. That is PM is equal to what, ma? The distance PM is equal to, we know that this is what? x1. Okay. x1. Okay, now. Geometric condition is what, ma? This PM is equal to PA. He mentioned clearly that PM means, we know that x1. PA means root over x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. That implies by doing squaring on both sides, x1 square is equal to x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square. Here this x1 square and x1 square are going to be cancelled. Then y1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 is equal to 0 is our required equation of the locus. We know that equation of the locus is always expressed in terms of x and y, no? The required equation of the locus is y square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Understand? This is the required equation of the locus. See ma, find the equation of the locus of a point P, the square of the whose distance from the origin is 4 times its y coordinate is same. Let a point P x1 comma y1 be on the locus. See ma, now you have to just plot the point P x1 comma y1 on the coordinate plane. See ma, the distance from the origin to this point P 4 times its y coordinate ma. So OP square means square root of origin, means we know that 0 comma 0. Okay, that is x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 into y1. See ma, square, that implies x square plus x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4y1. Okay, that implies x1 square plus y1 square minus 4y1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the locus is x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Okay nama? See ma, find the equation of the locus of a point P such that pa square plus pb square is equal to 2c square, where a comma 0, b minus a comma 0, and 0 is less than modulus a is less than modulus c. That is, firstly write the given points ma. Given points a comma 0, b minus a comma 0. Let P x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Okay, given geometric condition we have to write ma. See ma, the given geometric condition is pa square plus pb square is equal to 2c square. So pa means we know that root over, p means x1 minus a means a whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Okay, next plus root over pb means x1 minus of minus a whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 into c square. So here square and root are going to be cancelled. Okay nama? Now see, x1 square plus a square minus 2x1 into a plus y1 square plus x1 square plus a square plus 2ax1 plus y1 square is equal to 2c square. So you get 2ax1 here at 2a x1 are going to be cancelled. See ma, here 2x1 squares plus 2a square plus 2y square is equal to 2c square. See ma, here we are having 2 x1 squares, 2 a squares and 2 y squares, I mean y1 squares. So that implies c. By taking out common as 2, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to c square minus a square. Just I am transferring this plus 2a square to that side, then that becomes minus 2a square. Here 2 are going to be cancelled. Therefore, the required equation of the locus. Required equation of the locus is x square plus y square is equal to c square minus a square. That's it, man.